Okay, I think we're ready. The set is from Savage Fenty. This is from Shein, I think. It's just a tube top. We're off. This will always be the worst thing about being a dog mom. Having to leave him.
You leaving these keys for somebody?
Are you gonna miss me?
You said no?
No. My bag is already there.
I'm gonna put this right here for like 2 seconds. Slay.
Oh, cheese.
Cheese.
Fuck me.
Parmesan. Alright.
It's like teriyaki.
Did you get someone who, I
don't know why you asked her.
I don't know either.
They don't give a... Is it good?
Review.
Is it good? Yes or no? I'm seriously asking.
It tastes like,
We just arrived at our first hotel. We have to wait for check-in. I think she said check-in was at like 3 and it's only 12. So I think we're just gonna sit at the bar. This is the bar area. It's really cute. It's like on the rooftop, and then they have a pool and they have like another pool. They have like a lot of stuff to explore. So we're just gonna chill until our room is available. But first I think we're about to go get a drink. We're definitely about to go get a drink.
ruined it.
1, 2, 3. Bali!
Yay. Bali!
Taylor, I can't believe you're doing this. This isn't very... This isn't very Taylor. This isn't very Taylor of you.
If you told me before,
girl,
you're not scared?
Not really.
Okay.
No, I kept a pet lizard in my house. From my
I hid it in the bathroom. My mama didn't know. You sure it's not gonna bite me? She laughing.
It might bite you.
Oh my god, it's not moving.
You said it might.
It might.
What you mean?
I mean, it is a lizard.
Lizards bite?
I don't know. It's a baby lizard. It'll be fine.
I need to know that. Guys, I think it's dead. I'm scared. This shit is dead.
What if it like jumps up and like...
No, I don't think it's alive.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I touched it. It's not.
No.
It's not moving, guys.
Sorry, bud.
Yeah, that nigga did.
Wow. Do you know that?
That's why we make the best team.
I know.
That's why we have the most fun.
I know. But like, damn.
Cause we just be fair.
I know.
Thank you. Oh, you're so much. Spoiling us. Thank you.
Where should I put it? Like right here? I think it'll fall. Yeah, can you help me? Why does my camera look like this?
4K
And what else?
60 frames per minute. Oh, maybe 30 frames per minute. Does that look better to you?
I don't know. I can't really see.
Cheers!
What?
Cheers to being in Bali.
I know I'm drunk because I took that.
Me and Taylor are on an adventure. Where are we going, Taylor? On a trip in our favorite rocket ship, to and through the sky. Little lights.
Why do all of their exit signs look like this? Like somebody's running away.
She's a runner. She's a track star. Wait, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Ooh.
People trying to tell me I can't walk. Okay, pretty. Yeah.
Ooh, I want to roll down the hill.
No. Well, actually.
This is so nice. We should have like coffee and breakfast out here one day.
I know.
Look how nice this view is. So I woke up in paradise this morning. This is our beautiful, beautiful view. Today is day one of our Bali group trip. All the girls are en route to Bali. There are two that are already here, which I actually need to check on them. They came earlier this morning. So everybody is going to be arriving and checking in and like meeting at the hotel today. And then we don't have like a group activity until later. We have a dinner at 6:30, and that's like literally all we have to do today. So it's gonna be a really chill day, just like getting everybody settled in and welcomed in. I obviously like want to meet everybody. Maybe we'll find something cool to do. Also, this lens keeps getting so like foggy with the humidity out here. But yeah, we might find like some ATVs or zip lining, something fun like that. So we're about to go downstairs to get breakfast. We have arrived to the pool. Those are good.
What was that called? The pine blue? Yeah.
My bandana.
Like, I don't want that. Listen. What? Stop it. I am. It's been a minute. Honestly, wait. What are y'all doing?
Cheers. Cheers, Bali.
Yeah, I'm gonna slap you. What'd you say?
Cheers?
No. You said honestly same?
Yeah.
Get out of my face.
I mean, we haven't.
There was always a plastic bag somewhere. Just like in
Friend,
every
do
time
the 0.5. That's gonna be cute.
Okay, wait. Can you adjust my camera? Yes. Like, I don't think I know how to do it. New York was still, to this day, the best trip I've ever had.
Yeah,
Like, it was so good. I enjoyed it a lot.
I think about that every week. Honestly, I think about that trip every single week.
Like, that was the best trip I've ever had. Like, for real.
It was so good. I look at all the pictures I took that I can't post on Instagram that I love so much.
So much weed.
Yeah.
So much weed.
There was so much.
Ready?
Yeah. Amazing. And like my favorite thing is that and trench coats just really under the side of this for that. I want nothing more than to show it to everyone I talk to.
Stop! Guys, I'm getting nervous. Stop it.
That's somebody looking for a hat. Like that's kind of insane.
How do I turn it on? How do I turn it on?
Have like a single burger
Yeah.
patty, but without the onions and pickles.
They eat, they let me.
Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me what we can't pick it. Gas me up, give me motivation. So every move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic going zero to 100. Nah, right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking me too long. Right before I decide to go. And like you heard me. Only step it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stars. And like you heard me. Only step it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say flow.
That would be the welcome dinner. Yep, this one.
Yep.
There are 11 of you, right?
I think so, all in total, yeah.
Yes. Did you meet all of them?
No,
No,
these
not
are the
yet.
first girlies that we've met other than the folks that we came with. Yeah.
It's so good out here.
Yeah, I'm in a really nice place right now. Physically, emotionally, spiritually.
Yes. GPT fixes everything.
Chatty G. Thank you.
100 years we won't be able to tie our shoes.
Taylor, how are you feeling about your drink queen?
It's so good.
Is it?
No.
Don't like it?
No, but the cherry was.
It is nice.
I felt like it was like, can't even see her location.
It could be worse than that answer.
1, 2, 3. Bali! Yay!
There are 3 big monkey forests here. There are Sange Monkey Forest, Alaska Monkey Forest, and the best one is Ubud Monkey Forest. I can say Ubud Monkey Forest as the best monkey forest in Bali because of every day many visitors or many people come to visit the monkey forest, and the monkeys are used to with the human.
Okay, so he said my camera would be safe. We're about to see. I have this wristband on. I'm gonna hang very tightly to my camera.
Hang on, girl.
What is that? It's a cow. What's on it? A bird on its back. We're just gonna get a video instead. It's already recording, so you just have to hold it, and then we pose.
Beautiful.
Bali!
Should we do another one with monkeys? Yeah. All right. Monkeys. All right.
Monkeys!
I don't know how to look at that one.
Don't you wanna get a picture?
Y'all want a picture too?
Oh, he active.
He said, "Welcome to my
No eye contact.
welcome to my hood."
I didn't know we were getting started that early.
I know.
Okay, keep it going. Feeling a little nervous.
So at this monkey forest,
Okay.
they're in this cave.
Oh, bats. You said bats?
You said okay.
They're fruit bats.
Oh, fruit bats.
Oh my god.
That's the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Oh my goodness. That's so
He's trying to open their bag. He's opening their bag.
Oh my god.
He's robbing you.
Oh my god. He was trying to.
He just opened his mouth mad big. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I saw that. I saw What's that? Like, this is some monkey business. Yeah, that really Get in there. He said, give me that. Oh, he's coming.
Oh, Tia, heads up.
How do you do that? Oh.
Oh, look at him peeling the banana.
So you got about like a minute left. I don't know if you want to say something before it died.
Yeah, say something.
We'll see you at the ATVs. Okay, Tia. Hi.
Ayun.
I guess my body just isn't used to this time zone.
Yeah,
It feels like 9 p.m. right now.
it kind of does.
Yeah.
Okay, that's helpful. That's good to know.
Me and Taylor have been surviving off fries and cappuccinos.
Yep. I will say though, my chicken saute.
Oh yeah, that looked really good.
It was really good.
The quesadilla was good too.
Was it?
We just we brought that and didn't even eat it.
Yes.
So we're about to go down to the lobby to meet the girls and to meet our tour guide Sam. I have to introduce y'all to Sam. Sam's the cutest.
To do it today.
Yes, absolutely. And then we're gonna go to, I think we're doing the slides first today. And then we're gonna go to like a water purification ceremony at a waterfall. And that's it, right? Oh, we're going to a temple.
Yeah.
We're going to a temple today as well.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay. And we're off.
Yeah.
Will you all try the swing?
Yes. Try swing.
Okay, so you can try the big swing. They have the highest one, they have the slower one, so you can choose which one that you want to try there. And then they have a
I don't know, because they were like for a lot of people.
Oh my god. I wouldn't know.
Here we have a 6-different swing, and we
Should we ask Sam? Are we eating lunch here or do we wait to another place? Lunch is at a different place.
yeah, about lunch is in a different.
your name. You can choose the dress color. Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh, I know. I was actually, if Tia doesn't choose blue, I might. Let's do this. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sam, would you like to say hi to my YouTube video? This is our amazing tour guide, Sam. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Hey, feeling this way, it's kinda like
Marquise, you gonna try it?
No, I'm good.
You're gonna try and feed these koi fish? They'll eat it right out of your hand.
Are you doing that and then taking the pictures?
Oh my god, that was the coolest thing I've ever done in my whole life. I'm so
Everyone is gonna hate you guys when y'all post this. Everyone's insecurities multiplied by 10. No, for real. God, what an evil thing for me to say, but it's true. It's true. It's so true. Oh, my friend. Whoever's gonna be in the middle goes first.
tell you what it's all about. Hey, feeling this way and it's kinda like
I'll treasure this forever.
now we're on the way to lunch.
Who wants to order fettuccine? Two fettuccine?
Yes, please.
We've just arrived to the waterfall, Canto Lampu waterfall. This is the waterfall that like everybody goes to when they come to Bali. Thank God for portable chargers, because my phone has died twice today and it's only 5 o'clock.
Yeah, that means you gotta be like the first people in and first people out so you can dry off. Absolutely. And everybody bring a towel tomorrow so we can sit on it.